To download the diasend app, first go to the App Store on your mobile device. Once you're on the App Store, use the search function to search for the diasend app, simply by typing diasend and selecting the app from the list. Here you'll be given the option to install, and once the app is installed, it'll appear on your home screen as you can see here. When you open the app, where it says New to Diasend, Create Account, if you select that option, you're then presented with a form. If you complete this with your details, it will then take you onto the next step. Next, you must check the boxes to agree to the terms and conditions, and also to agree to Gluco's privacy policy. Information on both of these can be found at the links provided. Once complete, click Next. On this next screen, you are required to enter your gender, your weight and your height. As you can see from the screen, you can enter these in either metric or imperial measurements, whichever one is easiest for you. Once you've entered your information, please click Next to progress to the next screen. On this screen, you can enter information about your diabetes, specifically the type, as well as your HbA1c and specific treatments that you may be on. Once you've entered all the relevant information, just click Next to move on. Now that you have created your diasend account, you can see the scorecard. Important information about your diabetes will be displayed here. And for more detailed information, you can go to the reports, where you can scroll through the timeline, look at your standard day, and even click on the information panels to find out a little more. The pie charts below show information for glucose, CGM and insulin, and when you're above, below and within target. If we go into the menu and go into Profile, we can see all essential information and also have the ability to change our password. If from the menu we select Share Data, we can enter our clinic's unique clinic ID. This will mean that any data downloaded from our devices will be visible to our clinician and allow them to view it on their computer and run clinics virtually. You can withdraw this permission at any time. Use the back buttons to return to the main app and go to the Upload tab to upload data from a device. To do this, click Start Upload, and if you have one of the Bluetooth compatible devices and it is ready to connect, the app will find the device and you'll be prompted to pair with your smartphone. Here you may be asked to enter a code, as I have in the visual. Once you have entered this code, your device will be paired with the diasend app and you'll hear the noise to confirm the download. This data would then be visible to your healthcare professional. Here is a profile that already has some data downloaded from a CGM, a blood glucose meter and an insulin pump. Depending on the range of devices that you are using, depends on the types of data that will be visible here. As you can see, the pie charts below will give you a breakdown of above, within and below target results. For more help with using the diasend mobile app, use our resources on our website or feel free to contact our support team. Thank you.